How to turn off or on show chat notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on show chat notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and now click settings and then click notifications and now go down and you will find this one. You will find this one here, show chat notifications. Click on it if you want to turn it on, and if you want to turn it off again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.